A nice tray of bubbling lasagna from the oven. Who doesn't love that? Well, this is a simple lasagna. It's made with bread, zucchini, and some marinara, and cheese, and baked in the oven. So, to begin with, find yourself some nice and firm zucchini in a nice size, not the small ones. The small ones won't work, the very big ones won't work either. Leave both sides, don't cut the ends off because we're gonna blanch them, get them sort of halfway cooked, maybe about 5-10 minutes, and then we'll cut them. So we don't want the water to get into the zucchini and get really watery because zucchini is water in itself. So leave those ends on the zucchini and let it cook for about 10 minutes. You drain it out and you let it chill, and then you begin to assemble your lasagna. Let's cut them in slices. So get your favorite baking pan, butter it well, and slightly just coat the bottom of the baking pan with some sauce. Bread, all bread preferably. Line the bottom of the baking pan. Use the smaller pieces kind of to fill in the corners. Now we'll put the tomato sauce. So here I have some mozzarella, and I have some grated cheese. So the mozzarella is shredded and it's wet. Combine a little bit of the grated cheese with the mozzarella, so this way it doesn't stay in lumps. It's easier to spread. Just a little bit of cheese. And we put the zucchini. Sauce again. Some cheese again. Bread. Perfetto. Kind of brush it down a little bit. And I just like a little bit of the leftover tomato sauce, just kind of drizzle it over for color. So it's rather simple. And what you want, a preheated oven, of course, of 350 degrees, but you want to seal it. So you want to seal it for about 40 to 45 minutes so that it cooks and bubbles inside. And then you'll uncover it for the last 10-15 minutes to get it the nice little crust. If you like a crispier crust, a little longer, and you get dinner. So the lasagna is still hot, but it's settling in, and you've got to give it a little time to settle. But let's loosen it up. And let me just maybe a little corner for me. Wow. Well, well. Nice and hot. but it has sort of gelled together. And, oh, I like the crusty corner. Let me taste that. You wish you were here with me, don't you? But you can make your own. I showed you how. So, but I'll tell you how it tastes. Delicious. There is a softness to bread when it sort of gets impregnated with that sauce, and then the crunchiness of the cheese around it. It is just delicious. And you know, this deserves coming to my table. So, as I always say, tutti a tavola a mangiare. Come on over. A mangiare. Salute.